Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your network. So if you see network error on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just go to the settings, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here, if you're using Wi-Fi, just find here Wi-Fi. In this menu, just tap on it. Now just turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. So just reconnect to your Wi-Fi. If you're using cellular or mobile data, just turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just find your shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you too, you just need to go to the general again and just find here reset, just tap on reset and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and just submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how we can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.